Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Moralis for building a Web3 dApp dashboard detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable Moralis for building a Web3 dApp dashboard, first, visit the Moralis website. Create a free account using your email address. Verify your email by clicking on the confirmation link. Once verified, log in to your Moralis account. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard area of your account. Click on the Create a New Server button. Select the type of server you need based on your project requirements. Choose a name for your server and select the region closest to your target audience. After filling in the details, click on the Create button. Wait a few moments for Moralis to initialize your server. When the server is ready, locate the server URL and application ID in the server settings. Copy these values, as you will need them for your dApp configuration. Next, set up your development environment by installing Node.js, if you haven't already. Open your terminal or command prompt and create a new directory for your project. Navigate into the newly created directory. Run the command to initialize a new Node.js project. Install the Moralis SDK by running the npm install command. Create an HTML file for your dashboard interface in your project directory. In the HTML file, set up the basic structure, including the necessary script tags for the Moralis SDK. Within the script tags, initialize Moralis using the application ID and server URL you copied earlier. Next, implement the logic for user authentication with Moralis. Create a button in the HTML file for users to log in using their wallets. In your JavaScript code, add the function to enable wallet connection and authentication. Once the user is authenticated, fetch their data using Moralis queries. Display the retrieved data dynamically on the dashboard interface. As you develop, test your application frequently to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Finally, refine the user interface and enhance the functionality of your dApp as needed. With these steps, you will have successfully enabled Moralis for your Web3 dApp dashboard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.